If you're trying to turn $20 cattle panel into a showpiece arch, while your neighbor's stuck with a $400 contractor mistake, you're in the right place. Landscapers and garden centers want you to believe curb appeal requires a $5,000 contract, but their biggest profit zone is your ignorance, not your yard. Today you'll see how a single $20 arch rewires how your whole property looks from the street. And at the 4-minute mark, I'll prove how one focal point can add perceived value without touching the rest. What's the ugliest overpriced garden feature you've ever seen in your neighborhood? Best answer gets a full teardown in the next video. Your neighbor thought paying $400 for a custom arch would turn their yard into a magazine cover, until it started rusting by the second rain. Contractors bank on the 67% of homeowners who never research materials. They'll upcharge you $350 for a $19 cattle panel from Tractor Supply. You only need to invest in what the street sees. Anything out of sight is wasted money. 95% of curb appeal is captured by your first 15 feet. The myth: a beautiful vertical garden requires designer trellises and specialty plants. The fact: a $20 cattle panel arch with pole beans looks better than most $400 installs. Here's the part most gardeners completely skip, and it costs them every season. You can bend a 16-foot cattle panel into a perfect arch in 2 minutes. No contractor, no power tools, just your own leverage. Like Jake in Ohio, who built a $20 arch one Saturday morning. Now his yard stands out on Zillow Photos against $10,000 professional landscapes. The dirtier the job, the bigger your advantage. You wash off the panel, spray it black for $6, and it outshines anything in the garden center's $250 section. There's a reason 80% of contractor-installed garden features get hidden behind shrubs. They're designed to keep you paying for replacements. Competitors never show you the side-by-side. A $20 arch loaded with Scarlet Runner beans gets more attention than any $500 pergola when viewed from the sidewalk. In Zone 7B, one $20 arch with $1.50 pole bean seeds gave a 6-foot-tall green wall in just 45 days, blocking the neighbor's view and drawing compliments. In Portland, a gardener used cattle panels for both entry arches and tomato tunnels. Total cost $38, curb appeal boost. Estimated $9,000 on Redfin. Remember when I said I'd prove one arch can transform your whole property? See this before and after. Same house, $20 upgrade, 10x street appeal. The deep black of fresh Walmart mulch at $2.47 per bag frames your arch and holds its color through 3 rainstorms. Contractors charge $200 for this illusion. Here's the insider angle. Plant Cardinal Climbers, $1.78 per packet, and Morning Glories, $1.29 per packet, together. By week 4, your arch draws more eyes than any perennial border. The view from the street is all that matters. Drive by at sunset and see how the shadows make your $20 arch look like a $1,000 custom feature. Your neighbors will ask who designed your vertical garden. They'll never guess you spent less than their last dinner out. If this just saved you $380 on a focal point arch, like the video. That's how the algorithm knows to push this instead of overpriced landscapers. Ready to build? You slide each panel into place, anchor with $1.29 U-posts from Home Depot, and step back. Project complete in 18 minutes flat. But what if you have rocky soil? You use $6 concrete deck blocks instead. No digging, maximum stability, 0 contractor fees. Worried about rust? A single can of Rust-Oleum Black, $5.97, lasts 3 seasons, no flaking, no stains, just clean lines. If you're in a WA, you swap beans for clematis, same arch, same price, but it's approved, and the blooms last all summer. Whether you have a postage stamp lot or a half-acre, you position the arch at your walkway entrance. Every guest sees it first. Here's the part most gardeners completely skip, and it costs them every season. If your space is tight, you cut the cattle panel with $14 bolt cutters. Now it's a mini arch perfect for containers on a patio. For a rental, you set the arch in weighted pots. No holes, no landlord complaints, but instant elevation. You just engineered a $10,000 look for under $30, while your neighbor waits for contractor callbacks. That $20 arch draws more compliments than any $800 shrub installation, and it feeds you with fresh beans all season. Your home value jumps in the eyes of every passerby. The elegant arch frames your entrance and photographs like a luxury listing. Here's your unfair advantage. While others sink thousands into invisible upgrades, you invested in the only zone that matters. Next time the garden center tries to pitch you on a $400 pre-made arch, you'll know the $20 secret they don't want getting out. Which of these vertical garden tricks would you actually try on your street-facing yard? Drop the number below. Most Pinterest gardens fail the visibility test. If you can't see it from the mailbox, don't waste your Saturday. Want an extra boost? Frame your arch with $3.49 solar path lights. Now your $20 project glows every evening. The secret. Real curb appeal is about contrast. A black arch against green vines draws the eye faster than a $2,000 stone wall. Here's the part most gardeners completely skip, and it costs them every season. By the numbers. One arch, 18 minutes, $27.42 total. You just engineered more value than any pro install. Last week, someone suggested using leftover cattle panel scraps for matching mini trellises along the walkway. Brilliant, and it ties your whole entry together for free. Keep those ideas coming. Every subscriber here is one less person paying $500 for a $7 job. That's how you keep this mission alive. What's the most you've ever spent on a single front yard feature, and was it worth it? Drop it in the comments.